Hi, good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog. In today's content we would like to share with you is our first road trip of the year. So we're heading to Seattle, Washington to Tukwila. So you can come along with us. Tara! Hanggang sa USA border. Kunti ang pila. Good. It's nice to have a long drive trip, especially this weekend after Valentine's Day, and we got invited by my cousin Jojo 49th birthday and also family day. Imimit namin sila sa Blaine, which is our normal waiting spot namin dito sa may Gas Argo. Cousin is here waiting. Joko family are waiting. Hi! Heyo! We're in the States now.
Just before she hangs a big old head to cry,
And
I sing to
them.
her a lullaby.
Cousin. Hi daw, team.
Excited for the choking?
So foggy. Drive safely, Dad. Ingat tayo. God bless our trip. Kaya nga. Here's the train. Ganda.
Keep left toward North
Pulis na naman, eh. Huli na naman. Ano naman, huli na naman yung Porsche.
And we have reached our destination. Ooh! Where's Jo? Happy birthday!
Let me sit first. Ah, sarap.
And we have arrived our destination.
Same baggy pants.
Ito sa Seafood City, Chowking. At last, we have arrived at Chowking. And yeah, that's good.
This is what we came for, the soup. Ano na, yung tubig, hindi mo nakuha? Tinext kita?
Okay, welcome to Chowking. Happy birthday, Jo. Okay. Ate. Good. There's Jollibee, Red Ribbon, and wish. It's a wishing tree. Nice. Ah,
Masakit sa ulo, ayaw mo nang umalis.
akan.
Sa kotse na lang kasi sakit sa ulo.
Going down to waterfront. Oh my goodness, so steep.
Use the right lane to turn right on Alaskan Way.
went here with Lola Lourdes before. You kinda remember? We took picture pa nga doon.
Ito. Dito. Ay, wala.
We're heading doon. How are you? Aya. Saan si Kon Konda? That's a Ferris wheel, Daddy. Ganda. No, Kon. May time pa maganito. $360. Ate also. Ferris wheel in Seattle. Oh.
Ferris wheel.
Let's go, guys! Go, go! Hi, John. Sana, Chi. Those are the Gam Ali. Oh my goodness. Da! Malolobat na. Inang ka? Oh, welcome. Yata, hello, hello, chocolate. Hello, hello.
Ang parking spot.
Ating hotel, Shore Stay Hotel. Can you check 271? We're looking for our room. This is the 271. Anak, okay, can you do this? Open the door. Oh, this is the room, ate. Of the hotel. Open the light. Not bad, right? Pwede din dyan makita mo ang car from here. And then, ano to dito, ate? We have our washroom. Nice. Ay, sorry. Washroom. Nice washroom. Too bad. Sure stay. Okay naman. Okay, tapos nandito. May plancha. Okay, nanak. Put the light on. Bakit ang dilim? We're here at the Shore Stay Hotel. Oh, whoa. Ha? Yan yung sa ano, Christmas. Exclusive tayo. How's the water, guys? How's the water? Warm? Hi, Con. Happy birthday. Iyan mo daw yan, anak. What? Ito. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Umiyak siya, gang? He's Hindi ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Gitu ni ng Jojo. Happy birthday, dear. Ninong Tito, Kuya Jojo. Happy birthday to you.
Alam mo, nakalimutan na.
Okay. Welcome to Nasaan na? Wala eh. Okay, kain muna tayo. Kain, guys. Baka mag-alarm. Yeah. Okay, time to go. Thanks for the stay. Sure stay. Okay na, nak. Dito na. Dito yun. Dito si Dada. There. Morning. I'm just checking it out.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Did you
welcome.
make the airport today?
Ayan na sila, oh.
Take a picture, guys.
Take photo. Hala ko, dito meron di pala pang ano, Kon? Pwede pala kumain dito, Kon, no? Okay. We'll take photo. Ay, it's okay. You want to eat this one? Ayaw na nila. Yung maliit na, kain. Halika na.
Babi sila tulog. Halika na dito. Ready, guys? Ready.
Mamaya, tulog ka. Ako mag-drive.
Okay, ready. 1, 2. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's go. Sure stay. Let's go na, guys. Time to go now. See you later. Okay. I forgot to get ours. Okay, Daddy.
Malaki siya. Yung train nila malaki. 1, 2, 3. Main terminal. Sitak terminal.
Ayan na, runaway. Oh, di ba? Frontline. Ano to, nak? Oh, edi wow. Woo! Ganda na. Na-open mo. Here we go. What is this? What is that? A Delta. Woo! Westfield Sunset. First time tayo dito. Ay, may Uniqlo, anak. My goodness.
Mayroong parade sa Chinatown. I think
Wow, nice.
for the anong tawag nila doon? Yung
Westfield Mall.
Hindi
Okay.
mo na ilagay, binuksan na.
Sorry. Kasi titinan ko sila doon.
One is 6.
Okay. Day 1 Panda. Hi there, can I get the pick up meal 2 entries? Chow mein, please. And the broccoli. This one and then that one. What is it called? That one? Orange chicken. Yes. There's another one.
It's a bigger plate, right? You're getting a 3 entree bigger plate?
I said 2 entry.
2 entree?
Yes.
Then that's it. Would you like to add any appetizer drinks today?
Yes, the drinks. Thank you.
What kind of drink would you like?
Oh my goodness. Okay, Timothy, you eat nanak. Dito kami sa... Okay. Kain lang kasi. Okay, anak.
Ito yung rinton mo.
Baba na tayo. H&M. Okay. Dito. Ay, again na naman ang beef ni Dada. Again. I'll her soup that. Okay. Ayan na. May take home na tayo. Take home. Bili na si Dada. Ito naman ang logo sa Red Ribbon. Gusto ko yung cake niya. Hindi mo alam. Ayun, may pan. Ang say mga Dada. Anong ko daw dito? Yung mga cake nila. Strawberry shortbread. Okay, all good. Uwian na, uwian na. Ay, pang.
In 2 miles, use the left lane to take the exit toward I-5 Express North.
Premium outlet. Okay na na. Like, oo, meron nga si mama ganun, no? Doon nakita ko may brown anak. Okay. Wow, das na si Dada. Going to the border. Not too bad. Documentation ready. Marami din, no? After waiting about 25 minutes, we're already in Canada. Thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you in the next trip. Take care. Good night. Bye.